got another hood latch.
Good afternoon, boys and girls. We are here again, the Honda EF junkyard, and the hood latch won't allow us to shut the hood again. On this 97 to 2001 Honda CR-V, the hood just doesn't stay shut. It goes to the safety part, but doesn't want to stay shut. So what you're looking for is this little lever on the inside of here. I'm pointing it to with the tip of the screwdriver. You see the spring is fully extended, which means it needs to be, it's trying to be shut, but it's rusted or corroded here, so it won't allow it to come back. And if you just move this way, so now the spring is less open. Let's try a little bit more, and that should be good. And if you try it again, it should shut no problem. All set.
That's another hood latch for you.